section, we are discussing about the irrigation projects in Kerala. What is meant by irrigation? Irrigation is the artificial application of water to the soil through various means like tubes, pumps, sprays, etc. Irrigation is usually used in areas where the rainfall is irregular or it has a threat of being drought. There are many systems and types of irrigation systems in which water is supplied to the entire field uniformly. The importance of irrigation in Kerala. Agriculture production mainly relies on the climatic conditions of the area. The natural climatic hurdles in production cannot be banned by man. These factors are very important in considering the productivity and economy of our state. Our state receives 90% of annual rainfall during the monsoon months from June to August and from October to November. The remaining period, that is from December to May, the state remains dry. Moreover, most of the rainwater that is received from the monsoon flows to the sea within 48 hours of the rainfall due to the character of our geographical terrain. Thus, it was seen that irrigation is must for the successful cultivation of crops in Kerala. During 1960s and 1970s, our state faced acute shortage of food grains. Though there are various methods of providing irrigation water, the best and the most reliable method which can be used in Kerala and which was used in Kerala was the construction of storage reservoirs for impounding, that is for storing and locking the water from the monsoon and utilizing this water during the drier times. Hence, major and medium projects were taken up and a major portion of the cultivable land are irrigated under these projects. There are 81 dams in Kerala and the Kerala Irrigation Department owns 20 dams which form 20 reservoirs. The first significant attempt to supply water on controlled basis was through a lift irrigation scheme constructed in the year 1942. The scheme consists of lifting up of water from Periyar River by electric pumping and feeding through canals and channels for paddy cultivation. The oldest irrigation project in Kerala is the Pechi irrigation project. It was built across the Manali River in Thrissur district. Irrigation dams in Kerala. There are 20 irrigation dams in Kerala. It includes Malambura Dam, Mangala Dam, Meenkara Dam, Chulliya Dam, Pothundi Dam, Valaya Dam, Zirwani Dam, Kanarapura Dam, Valayani Dam, Kuttiyadi Dam, Neyyar Dam, Palshi Dam, Malankara Dam, Chimoni Dam, Karapura Dam, Kakkayam Dam, Maniyar Dam, Pulattara Dam, Tunakadavu Dam, Perivaripallam Dam. There are 10 storage irrigation schemes in Kerala. The storage irrigation schemes of Kerala include Iddamalaya Irrigation Scheme, Muvattupuzha Valley Project, Kallada Irrigation Scheme, Chirapuzi Scheme, Valayani Scheme, Pechi Scheme, Chimmoni Scheme, Periyar Valley Scheme, Pamba Scheme, Neyyar Irrigation Scheme. Iddamalaya Irrigation Scheme. The Iddamalaya Irrigation Scheme uses the water, the tailwater from the Iddamalaya Hydroelectric Project. The tailwater, which is impounded by the Periyar Barrage under the Periyar Canal Scheme, is drawn through a system of canals. These canals were constructed under the scheme to provide irrigation facilities to 29,036 hectares of gross area. Muvattupuzha Valley Project. The Muvattupuzha Valley Project in Idukki district uses the tailwater from the Idiki Hydroelectric Project and runoff from the free catchment upstream of Todupura River, and which is impounded by constructing of a dam across Todupura River at Malankara. The water from the reservoir is directed through a system of canals to provide irrigation facilities in 90,237 hectares of land in Ernakulam and Kottayam districts. The project was partially commissioned during 1994 after completing its headwork and certain length of canal system. Kallada Irrigation Scheme. Kallada Irrigation and Pre-Crop Development Scheme is the largest irrigation project in Kerala. The command area of this project include Kollam, Pathanamthitta and Alappuzha districts and covers Pathanapuram, Kottarakara, Kollam, Kunnattur, Karunagapalli, Adur, Mavelikara and Karthikapalli taluks. This scheme benefits a net cultivable command area of 53,514 hectares in 92 villages. The left and right banks are fully completed by canal construction. The Kallada Irrigation Scheme is a unique project in Kerala where the minor convenience system consisting of network of PVC pipe is introduced for supplying water from canal to the crops. This is the most efficient method for conveying water to the field as the loss of water is least. Cheerakkudi scheme. This scheme is advised in Palakkad by a construction of weir built across the Gayatri Pura, a tributary of Bharatapura. The project is intended for irrigating 1,620 hectares of land in Talappalli Taluk in Thrissur district through the left bank canal and its distributaries. The project was completed during the year 1973. Vazhayani scheme. This scheme is also constructed in Thrissur district and it advises the construction of an earth dam. It is built across the Vadakkancheri Pura. It is one of the tributary of Kicheri Pura. This scheme is intended for irrigating 3,560 hectares of land in Talappalli Taluku, Thrissur district through the left and right bank system. Vazhayani Dam is situated in a forest area between the Machar Hills along with this garden, and it provides a spectacular view and it honors the tourist attraction of the Thrissur district. The Vazhayani Dam has a length of about 800 meters and has a lake of about 1.84 square kilometers. The project was completed during the year 1962. PG scheme. This scheme in Thrissur district emphasizes construction of a dam built across Manali River, one of the tributaries of Karivannur River. It is intended for irrigating 17,555 hectares of land in Mukundapuram, Talappalli, Thrissur and Chavakkad Taluk through the left and right bank and the branch canals. In addition to this, drinking water is supplied to the Thrissur Corporation and 8 nearby panchayats from this reservoir. The Peachy Dam area is a main tourist attraction center. The project was completed in the year 1957. Chimani scheme. This scheme in Thrissur district emphasizes the construction of a dam at Echipara across Chimani River, a tributary of Kadavannur River. The specialities of this scheme is no canal system has been constructed in this project. The specialty of this project is the water impounded in this reservoir will be available to the core landfills through the river and the existing canal system by means of regulators at Manyangudi, Ilichika and Kottam Kadavu. The core land in Thrissur is famous for its unique paddy cultivation. By this scheme, it is proposed to raise 2 crops from the command area of 13,000 hectares. And the Chimani scheme is also proposed to generate an electricity of 2.5 megawatt. The water supplied from this project is also used for drinking purposes. The project was fully commissioned and dedicated to the nation in 1996. Periyar Valley Scheme. The Periyar Valley Irrigation Scheme in Ernakulam district emphasizes the utilization of tailwater discharged from the completed hydel scheme in Mudirapura tributary of River Periyar together with the control release from Ennamakal Dam constructed by the Kerala State Electricity Board under hydel scheme across Iddamalaya tributary, and also from the dependable runoff from uncontrolled catchment area of Periyar River. Thus, it utilizes water from three rivers, that is the Mudirapura tributary, Iddamalaya tributary, as well as from the Periyar River. It is intended for irrigating the area of 32,800 hectares of land lying on its left bank of the Periyar River through a network of canals and controlling devices. The scheme helps in stabilization of the first and second crops and an additional crop, that is a puncha krishi, in an area of 20,000 hectares. The Periyar Valley scheme is spread over Kodamangalam, Muachupura, Kunnattunadu, Aluva, Kanayunnur and Paravur Taluk in Ernakulam district. Pamba scheme. The Pamba irrigation scheme is in Pathanamthitta district and it aims the utilization of 10 raise water of Shabarigiri hydroelectric project for irrigation purpose. The tailwater is let into the river Katkad and is picked up by Mania by a barrage. The project potential is 21,135 hectares in Rani, Koranchidi, Malappalli, Tiruvalla in Pathanamthitta district and Chenganur, Mavelikara, Karthikapalli, Kayakulam in Alappuzha district. The irrigation is done on the right and left bank of river Pampa, which is in between Manimala river in the right and Achankoval river in the left. And in tail reaches, it covers Onachugara and the eastern fringes of paddy field in Kuttanad. The project was completed during the year 1993. And the last irrigation project is the Neyar irrigation scheme. Neyar irrigation scheme is a major irrigation project taken up in Kerala under the first 5-year plan. The scheme emphasizes construction of a dam across the Neyar River near Kattakada in Thiruvananthapuram district. The project was completed in 1973 and it emphasizes irrigating of 11,740 hectares of land. The scheme now is an integral part of the lives of people in Neyyatankara Taluk and the surroundings, and it is a main source of water for agricultural and drinking purposes.